is so funny. That is so funny. That is very funny though. But yeah, those people told us firsthand, don't do it.
And if you can't listen to older people, then
If you don't listen to older people, then you're just being foolish.
you're like, I think pretty soon they'll will be. Like, they'll bring it to like, what do you mean?
Yeah, you know what I meant.
But why is it? I'm like,
Well, I mean, we weren't gonna mention the woman's name. Yeah, I know, you changed it into a positive. But it's so funny because we're the exact people who caused that issue that they were talking about.
Yeah. And that's why I was like,
Right.
Are we saying the wrong thing?
Right. That's, oh my goodness. No, but we didn't know. Right? We didn't know, so like there's no way for us to know, like, oh yeah. Right, we're the problem or something. There would be no way for us to know.
That's why now there's no such thing.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
But I guess it's like, literally like, because I'm thinking the case lasted for like 5 years, but it must have recently just ended because that's remember? Here, let me just carry it. I think it would be easier to carry it, man. Yeah, but I'm thinking it must have just come to an end because before we were able to, use certain days. You get me?
Like if you take a Saturday, you have Saturday kind of day.
Right.
But having somewhere that's, I think people used to take that have home away from home.
Oh, well, absolutely. But for them, what they said they I got one like close to their house, if I understood them right. Which is like, really? Right. Babe, I got it. Don't worry. Just carry your purse. I am. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Man, that was wild, man. No. The Great Gatsby. Maybe we should go see that. Here, wait. I think we can make it. Yeah. Huh? I can't hear you, babe. What?
I said it's 11.
Ah, I
So
see.
it's not yet after 9.
Yeah.
I think next time I'll put on the night.
Yeah, I think you should. Let's do it.
Not now. We need to finish this whole segment.
And then that's it.
Well, I think like give me a challenge.
So the pretzel.
Yeah.
I mean, I think that's a lot. Yeah, it helps. Well, I think that conversation helped you, huh? Wasn't the conversation? Where? What? Bariba's? No. Wait, you've eaten it?
No, last night was
No. No. Never been there. I'm talking about that place. Yeah, you've seen it. I don't know if you've had it though. You've had it before? I didn't confuse you. David's going to restaurants.
I feel like this last time we ate from that place. Did we think of the place that we ate?
No. It's alright, my friend. Thank you. Maybe I should just walk with this, looking only through air.
Like looking at that.
Yep.
What?
Just to see if I can do it.
Why? Don't do that. It's a trip.
I know, it's funny, huh? We can make it. Let's go. Oh, come on, babe.
Oh.
Sheesh. Babe's not even paying attention. You okay? Let's make this slide, babe. Can you?
Yeah. Why not?
All right. What?
It's been so long.
Oh, I know, it has been.
Let me come back to life.
Start doing your job.
Myself.
It's okay, my friend. No, we live across the water. We're good. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. I'm losing you.
Yeah, you will.
Get on the. Go ahead.
Let's cross here, Shaq.
Good? I'm trying to let you get your shot. Come on.
Yeah, that's what I do. We're not doing that. They like gave me a bar.
Oh man, I was honestly just thinking, wait, Van Lewis is literally so close here. And it's literally like just past it. Alright, no problem. Let's end with this guy smiling.